Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we're here in Hamria Center with my Ate Lori and Ate Tess and Maricel. We only rounding here. Okay guys, now we go and beauty products here in Hamria Center. Okay, Maricel, say hi. Now we go another shop because we check there is no hub there. Now we came outside. I think
Doon tayo, mag-10, 15.
where?
Tingin-tingin lang, libre naman yung tumingin.
Bumili ka ba doon, Maricel? Doon?
Wala, kasi 20 dirham.
Kala ko to, bumili ka.
10 lang pira ko.
Sa kakahanap namin ng drill, wala kaming mahanap. Ang binili namin ay pamatay ng langaw.